Welcome back to Shelly's Thoughts. This is Shelly with new enthusiasm, with new hope. We are back again with a new video, with a new concept, and we will actually work on some concepts and some thoughts what we are surrounded with. So let's start. Generation gap. Generation gap is so common term these days. Like people don't use it in a normal form. People use it in like an issue when we are considering a lot of factors, you know, causes, factors, or any other thing, characteristics. We actually put in that thing, generation gap in that thing. So, what actually generation gap is? Generation gap is the gap, age gap between 2 to 3 generations. Our generation to our parents' generation to our grandparents' generation. There is a gap. The gap is not just about numbers, it is about the experience, the thought processes, the thing which have evolved over time. So generation gap have a lot of factors which by which actually it gets affected. Culture, which plays a very major role in that thing. Then economic status, like our grandparents were not so, well known in the society, but gradually our parents did that, and now we are trying to do more. So it is about economic status, it is about technology, it is about the environment we live in, the place we live in. Is it urban or rural? Or like if you are particularly a part of any other area. So generation gap have a lot of factors, and these factors revolve around, particularly around expectations and acceptance. So these two terms are the terms where these factors revolve. So what actually generation gap is? It is all about expectations of our elders, of ourselves, from our parents, from our grandparents, to the acceptance, how things we accept. And the other thing is the thought process. Like, do people have that same thing in their mind as you think of? Maybe yes, maybe no. So, it is all about these three things: thought process, expectations, and acceptance. These three things are things where things revolve. Now, why I have taken this as a part of this, young adults? It is very common. It is very common because now it is the time where people try to do experiment a lot of things, and I have seen many people around me, and I am even doing same thing. I've been experimenting a lot, like doing a thing which is very, apart from my family background. Is something which is maybe there might be a problem that they accept or not, but hopefully they are accepting that. So why and how they are accepting that? It is just because changing their they are changing their thought process by actually adapting to the environment, to the things they are seeing. So the three things which where the generation gap revolves is acceptance, expectations, and thoughts. Now, what expectations, like expectations, for example, a child want a phone on his or her birthday, but her or his parents gift him clothes, and it has been the ritual of his parents where they all time gift the child the clothes. Okay, but now this time the child actually wanted a phone. So how here this generation gap occurs? Like उस बच्चे ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि उसे फ़ोन मिले, वहीं उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे क्लोथ्स दिलाए. ठीक है. Now the generation gap over here, how it occurs? Like वो चाइल्ड बहुत इंटेंसली एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि उसे फ़ोन मिलेगा, but at the end he didn't got phone, he got clothes. He however accepted that, but there is a thing which is hindering in his or her mind, that नहीं यार मुझे वो फ़ोन चाहिए था, बट मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं समझते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट कूल पेरेंट्स. I have seen, so I am talking about that thing. Now, how this generation gap as an issue can be resolved by actually, first of all, communicating. Communication is the key, we say. So, अगर वो बच्चा या फिर पेरेंट्स वो आपस में बात करें कि एक्चुअली उसे गिफ्ट में क्या चाहिए, या फिर वो बच्चा समझे कि इज इट रियली ही इज नीडिंग, लाइक उसको फ़ोन की ज़रूरत है भी कि ऐसे ही जिस वो एक्सपेक्ट करके बैठा हुआ है और अपने दिमाग में स्कीमास बना रहा है उससे रिलेटेड. When these schemas are formed, they develop into, you know, bad, or you can say disrupting thought processes, wherein ultimately हम कोई इमोशन या फिर हम कोई बिहेवियर नहीं दिखाना चाह रहे होते हैं, वो दिखाई देते हैं कि माई पेरेंट्स आर लाइक दैट ओनली, दे डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़. मुझे नया फ़ोन चाहिए था बट दे डिडंट गॉट मी. I hope people don't do that. But it was just an example. Ki, how can we resolve that thing? First of all, communication is the best way. आपको अगर कुछ चाहिए या फिर आप कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करके बैठे हैं, तो आपको उसे सामने लाना पड़ेगा. आप जब उस चीज़ को सामने लेके आएंगे तब जा करके वो चीज़ बेटर वे में आएगी आपके सामने. और वहीं पेरेंट्स को कभी कभी ये होता है कि पेरेंट्स आर लाइक, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता है कि यू आर नॉट नीडिंग इट, एंड दे वो चिल्ला देते हैं कभी कभी, या फिर ऐसे बिहेव कर देते हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं उस बच्चे को मेंटली डिस्टर्ब कर सकता है. तो रैदर दैन डूइंग दैट थिंग, जस्ट कम्युनिकेट. कम्युनिकेशन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का हल है. बट देर आर टाइम्स, देर आर थिंग्स, देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक हम कुछ कल्चरल चीज़ों को मानते हैं, हमारे घर में बहुत मानी जाती हैं, बट वहीं हम उसे फॉलो ना करने की कोशिश बहुत करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं, और वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे पेरेंट्स और हमारे बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट खड़ा कर देता है. लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन ओवर हियर इज़ द थिंग विच वी आर सीइंग, जिसके ऊपर, नो ऑफेंस, जिसके ऊपर हम लोग बहुत सारे चीज़ें देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देख रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू, लेट्स कन्वे दैट, marriages. Okay, marriages, then following of some rules. Some traditions have some rules regarding the time of menstrual cycle. So then there are many other things. So there is a difference between our thought processes. अभी टेक्नोलॉजी को अडेप्ट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, वहीं हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स उस टेक्नोलॉजी को जल्दी से एक्सेप्ट कर लें, और हमारे लिए वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत आसान है क्योंकि वी आर एट दी लर्निंग स्टेज एंड उनका स्कीमा ऑलरेडी फॉर्म्ड है. तो यहाँ पे ये चीज़ लेके आना कि आपका जो एक्सेप्टेंस है और एक्सपेक्टेशंस है वो मैच टोटली कर जाए, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. बट यू नीड टू ब्रिंग दैट थिंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर पाथ, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर पाथ can be formed just by communication. Communication is the bestest key for each and everything. So, whether it be your grandparents, sometimes we don't match to their, actually most of the times we don't match to their thought processes. And however, they are also trying to adapt to that new time tenure which has changed a lot from their time. But there are times when we feel like it is not the way it should be. Same thing comes again, expectations and acceptance. So we can resolve all these conflicts, all these issues, all these things which come under generation gap. Generation gap is not an issue, it is the time, it is the thing which we should enjoy. But yeah, there are a lot of times where we are not ending or standing on their schemas. So we can't totally change them, but we can bring amendments to them. We can bring things in a way that we are somewhere matching to their expectations, and we are at a point and we are on the same lane. Hope these things might help you. This video will help you, and I hope I was able to convey my thought process, and we are doing the thing we actually wanted to do. Please like, share and subscribe. Hopefully I will be making more good videos further, and I will be growing better each time. And thank you for supporting.